Just another teaching tip coming to you from Amino Academy. Sometimes class time can be very limited, and we as teachers don't always have time to complete all homework tasks in class. So the teaching tip for today is those tasks that aren't completed in classes, to send the student home to complete them in the comfort of their own home. When they come to class the following day, or when you see them next, to check these homework tasks to make sure that they are done correctly. Don't forget to show your learners exactly how to get to the correct answers.
Hello everyone! If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell notification button.